Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the device. Unlock it and make sure battery level is adequate so the change sticks. Open settings right away. If TalkBack is speaking, use two-finger swipe to scroll and double-tap to activate items. Once in settings, tap Accessibility or Accessibility features to find spoken feedback controls. You do this first because the screen reader setting sits there. Accessing it now avoids detours and gets you directly to the toggle you will change next. Now you'll find TalkBack, sometimes labeled Screen Reader. Tap that entry to open Detail Settings. TalkBack explains options as you move, so use two-finger scrolling and double-tap to activate buttons. Once on the TalkBack page, turn the toggle off and confirm the dialog. This stops spoken feedback. Make sure to also disable any TalkBack voice settings or verbosity options so it doesn't restart. You do this step carefully because the confirmation prevents accidental disabling and ensures accessibility shortcuts are handled. Finish by restarting the tablet to ensure the screen reader stays off and test by opening an app to confirm no speech. Next, check accessibility shortcuts. If a volume key shortcut is enabled, turn it off to avoid reactivating TalkBack. If you can't navigate because TalkBack persists, use two-finger gestures and double-tap, or press and hold both volume keys for several seconds if that shortcut is enabled. If all else fails, restart the device and try the settings path again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.